Hey, what up, guys? And today, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a paper airplane. It's some very simple tactics, and it's very easy and very fun to make. So watch this. Perfect flying airplane with the perfect angle, and I'm gonna show you how to make the perfect airplane. And first of all, I just gotta set this camera down so you can see what I'm gonna be doing, because I know this is a very bad camera view and I want to make sure that I get everything right. So firstly, what you want to do is, you see how I got my paper folded like a taco. So come on this side and then fold that down. Make sure your lines are even, and make sure that they're folded at the exact same angle. So you want to make sure that they're folded right here at these little angles right here. So you want to make sure that the lines are folded perfectly on angles. And then second of all, you want to come to the other side. So this is what you want to do. Bend this piece of paper down like so, and then this is what you do. Boom. And then come on the other side and do the exact same thing. So you want to make sure that your lines are even. So you want to make sure that it looks something like this. Come on this side again. Fold the, like make sure everything's folded in this. Come down here and then fold that. Make sure that your lines are even and neat. And then this is what you also would like to do. So when you come to this side, you wanna you see this side, so you wanna take this. Guys, I know this is very bad camera view, and it's like at the same time it's just weird. But you take this piece and fold that all the way down like so. So then you take that piece and then you just fold it down like that. And then you want to come on the other side and do the exact same thing. So you're basically just copying, copying what I'm doing on the video. So then you want to come on this side, and then you want to also come on this side. Make sure that your angles are nice and folded like so. And then you want to come to the bottom and then fold like that, and then this is what you're gonna be doing. So then after that, when you see this, you wanna so this is what you want to do. Take this side right here that you see that I'm holding, and fold that all the way down like so. So then you want to come to the other side and then do the same, and then go to the other side, and then you're also going to be doing the same thing. Shit. And then you're also going to be doing the same thing on the other side like so. Alright, so here's the perfect airplane. Sorry guys, I had a little bit of trouble because this is like very bad camera view, and I need more of like a bigger camera than this, because I'm using a camera on my phone. So I'm just doing this, and then when you see this is the perfect airplane. Watch this. Swoop! Like that. The perfect airplaners. Yeah. But alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, comment, and leave a like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And my YouTube channel is Evan Adams, and I would love for you to subscribe and tune in to more of my awesome videos. Alright guys, peace out.